hey friend, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily change your phone number of WhatsApp without leaving the groups, the groups that you have been already joined, and you don't need to leave all that, or you don't need to restart your WhatsApp. You can simply change your phone number that is linked to your WhatsApp, and that will automatically redirect all the groups to change that number. Now in order to do it, simply open the WhatsApp, go to the WhatsApp settings. It will look something like this. Now here you need to scroll down until you see this option of account right there. Simply go to account, and right there here you'll see this option of change phone number. Simply click on change phone number. Now here you have to follow a procedure. That means you'll get a OTP on your present number, then you have to add the another number, and in case you have not access to the previous number, you can easily find some alternative methods right there as well, so you can easily change the phone number on. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.